In this video, I'm going to explain the second thing that you need to know if you are on a working holiday visa, and that is explaining how bridging visas work. Now, if you are in the country on a working holiday visa and you apply for another visa, let's say you are sponsored by an employer, for example, you apply for a 457, or you have an Australian partner and you apply for a partner visa, which is the 820. Whether you apply for either of these two visas, you are granted a bridging visa. And what happens when this working holiday visa expires, let's say on the 1st of November, your bridging visa will take over from this point and you will automatically go onto your bridging visa waiting for the approval of either the 457 or the 820. And this happens automatically. When you apply for these visas, your bridging visa is granted automatically. It's not a separate application. Now what happens is sometimes there's a bit of a waiting time waiting for these visas, specifically the partner visas, which these days can take anywhere from 12 to 18 months. So if you're in the country on your bridging visa, that is the visa that allows you to stay in the country. That's my version of joining Australia. But let's say you need to travel to go back home and visit your family whilst you're waiting for your partner visa. You can by applying for what's called a bridging visa B. Now that is a travel bridging visa. It allows you to leave the country for generally up to 3 months and then return. When you return, you go back onto your original bridging visa, waiting for the approval of your partner or your 457 visa. So that's a little trick and a little bit of an explanation in terms of how bridging visas work, when they come into effect, and how you're allowed to travel whilst you're waiting for the visa that you've applied for from inside the country.